Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. EMELI Sandy, this time with the song called Oxygen. So, beautiful song from Sandy here. It's all about 3 chords, and that will go round and round through an entire song here. So, that will be great. Let's start with capo on first, and we'll start with the chords. So, first one is A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next is F. So that will be a bar on the first fret, all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Then we have the final chord, which is a C, but with a G in the bass. So that is third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. So that will be the chord progression through the entire song. A minor, F, and the C, G. Okay, we need to look at the strumming pattern, and let's start with A minor. Okay, so it will play down, down, up, clap. And you do that for 2 times, and clap means a clap. So that will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap for A minor. Okay, so again. Okay, so you play that for 2 rounds, and then you shift to F, and there you're gonna play down, down, up, clap only for 1 round. Okay, so far, A minor, 2 rounds of the strumming, down, down, up, clap, and for F, 1 round. Sounds like this so far. And then you shift to the final chord, the C, G chord, and play down, down, up, clap, down, up. So after the first down on the C, G chord, you have like kind of a break, longer break. It's down, down, up, clap. And then you're gonna end with down, up. So basically, it's just the same down, down, up, clap, but you have a longer break after the first down. And you play the same strumming pattern, and you end with down, up in the end after the clap. So that will be with the C, G. So again, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And that is the chord progression with the strumming. So to repeat, down, down, up, clap on A minor, down, down, up, clap for 2 rounds, and F, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And that is 1 chord progression. It will be like this through the entire song until about 3 minutes and 10 seconds into the song. It's in the end of the song. There it will start to play just 1 down per chord. Like this. A minor, F, C, G, A minor, like this, till the end of the song. Otherwise you're gonna play this. Thank you for watching, all you Gordon Guitar loyal subscribers. I hope you continue to stay tuned here on this channel. And if you want, you can wish for songs, and we'll do this together. So thank you for all the support. I hope you thumb up the song if you did, in fact, enjoy it, and see you soon. And don't forget, guys, like always, play tuned.